Yeah, so it's apart from just uploading your resume, you'll have to go ahead and fill in everything that is there on the website for you to be seen more by the employers. So complete profile, then the skill test. Take a skill test and get approved skills added in your profile. So there are different skill tests and all that. Like if there are freelancers, first time people who want to, these would be a good way. Because if you have completed the skill test, it would add credibility to your profile. Cactus community. I haven't heard of that. What is that? Okay. Proofread. Okay. Mm-hmm.
What I noticed if you take tests that are given by them, you can choose from almost 100 odd tests on language proficiency, grammar, and all kinds of things. And that is a great thing. As in when you keep taking this test, your profile gets automatically updated. And that alert also goes to what you have written in the class. So on these platforms, at least taking the test even by them will add more value to it.
So as in how you complete the test, they know that, okay, fine, this person is more efficient now, more capable now. And you
can take anybody 5 times and you can choose what rating you want to see. Like best of 3 you can showcase.
So if you have taken 4 to 5 times, you mean to say, okay. So that's up to you. So that's good enough, no? If you have taken it once, you understand how it is. If you have taken it once, you understand how it is. Second time, you get better. Third time, then you can showcase it. Yeah, get certified. Once you will take the skill test, you will get credentials and get certified as a writer. The same thing what you just said. Then get recommendations. You can get recommendations from those who have their accounts on the website. She was talking about the reviews. So obviously, if you have worked with them and other people may want to approach you based on the reviews. And also LinkedIn also works that way. The more number of reviews, the more good reviews you have, the better it is for you. Submit to showcase. You can submit your work into the showcase category that will check your work and give you projects. Okay. So basically, what work you have completed, you can submit your work into the showcase category. It means what work you want to show off, that this is a sample of my done previously, you can showcase that.
Can I add 1 or 2 bits here?
Yeah, sure.
So on the get recommendations part, it happens quite often with new writers on these platforms that the clients really don't respond to your request. So one way to beat the system, I don't know if it's ethical or unethical, but to beat the system is you can do small little projects with people you know. Like I have a friend, exceptional chef. He's been in the process of building a blog for a while now and he doesn't know how to write. So I wrote a couple of things with him and I asked him to create a bid on them and sort of hire me to do that. So
oh, that's nice. It's ethical only.
Yeah. That is one way to do it because reviews really matter.
Yeah. Because you are measured based on all the reviews. Even products also for that matter, before you go ahead, you want to read reviews. Even if it's the course, before they want to enroll for the course, they want to read the reviews. Even to give you writing projects also, they want to know the reviews. It's all about reviews that you really get these days. Anything else you want to add?
On submit the showcase also, one example I like to give so many times people on these platforms are very particular that their emotional function has happened. Very particular. So then finally at the end. So I did it after a long time and light bulb didn't want me for some time. I was thinking, why am I waiting for them to give me a topic? Why don't I just create one on those lines? And see, as a writer at the starting, we really don't know how to generate ideas. We can't write with time for some time. All kinds of things start popping in the head. So one of them only can convert them into a dummy sample, which we didn't process. And that was the whole
Yeah.
So like this client I worked with, he gave me idea. I wrote about digital marketing are some ideas that on parallel blogs, and those are happening.
Okay, that's nice. So without you actually showcasing that I've done this for someone, you can have like a dummy thing to showcase on your.
It's like same topic, but I'm
on different lines.
in a way that is not going to infringe the copyright or that all that. It seems like a very obvious idea, but then it doesn't strike only until you pick that in the blog. Now when I'm saying it, it's like, yeah, it's such a common idea, it's like that, but then in the flow of work, it doesn't come.
Yeah, you'll think that, okay, what was there? Let me just showcase this. This is what I've done.